uZuma neqembu lakhe umkhonto wesizwe bafuna lenkantolo lenkulunkulu nazo zonke ukuba isithathe njengazingekho emthethweni isinqumo sikaMengameli sokuhlabisa umchuni ikhefu, kepha-ke amxoshe kanye nokuqoka uFiroz Khatshaliya njengebamba likaNgqongqoshe wamaphoyisa.
Is it in the best of interest of our people to have two ministers holding effectively the same portfolio, being paid over the next 3-4 years, 2 salaries, one sitting at home doing nothing, the other one acting in his place?
Ngasekupheleni kukaNhlangulana uMengameli uRamaphosa waxosha iphini likaNgqongqoshe wezohwebo nokuncintisana uAndrew Whitfield kulesi sikhundla emva kokuthatha uhambo lwaphesheya engamazisanga uMengameli. Ummeli kaZuma uthi uMengameli ukhethe iphele emasini.
And is it in the best interest to treat the same situations differently? And I'm being generous here. To know, one day, you know, as the decision maker, that you are at large to dismiss a Deputy Minister Whitfield for merely going overseas without permission. Assume that is such a bad thing. But the following day, you don't know that. Suddenly you say, no, I can't. How could I ever dismiss a minister on untested allegations?
U-Advocate Mpofu uthi uMengameli uhlenga umchunu ngokuqoka uKhatshaliya.
This whole maneuver is about that. How do I save my friend and close political ally, give him a salary for the next 3 years, 5 years, God knows for how long, while he's doing nothing, but keeps the bodyguards, the drivers, and all those things, and the title, but at the same time, I have someone who must look after the police. So then you think of this long, elaborate contrivance. But the law is very clear. You must do one or the other. It's very easy. You want Professor Khatshaliya, then you must dismiss Minister Mchunu.
Ikhomishana kaJustice Mbuyiseli Madlanga ezophenya ngeinsolo zikaMkhwanazi ngomchunu namaphoyisa nezobulungiswa izoqala umsebenzi wayo ngoNcwaba kanti izohlala esifundazweni iGauteng.